Well, DRZ's back together. Top end rebuild. Just got to give her a bit of a clean up where the grease was. See if this thing will start. Oh, I got it. Tra-la-la. Stay. Right, bash plate's on. What a beast. As you can see, driving lights now on. 17 litre fuel tank now on. Bash plate back on. Yeah, the bore was glazed and the rings were a bit sus. Head come out perfect. But yeah, new piston rings, head redone. Timing chain, all that kind of crap. First start, see she'll go. I did notice the choke is in a bastard of a spot now with that tank. Oh, fuel on would help. Fuel, fuel, fuel.